My present discussion is sign and symptoms of Dhandaja or common dosha prakriti. Vata, Pitta and Kapha may form combination according to their quantitative and qualitative balance in sperm and ovum. In the case of combinations, the signs and symptoms of doshas may be present in particular organs according to their effects in a particular part. Thus, Prakriti is determined by majority of signs dominating altogether. According to Charak, majority of people are always found to be combined Prakriti. Single dosha Prakriti is very rare and rare nearer to pathological disorder than a normal constitution. Maximum poetas abortionate or died after birth or live for a small time containing small span of life. In combination to Dandaja or two doshas, signs and symptoms can manifest in the following way. For example, in Vata Pitta Prakriti, some signs of both Vata and Pitta Prakriti be present, but depending on the intensity of the more dominant of the two, the outcome will be different. If dryness of Vata manifests in the skin and a little unacrossness of Pitta is also present in the skin, in this condition, the skin will not be so dried and rough as if only dryness of Vata is present and not Pitta at all. If the color of Pitta present in the eye, it will produce redishness or yellowness of the eye, but if Kapha is also present in the color of Pitta will not be so apparent. Therefore, for determination of combined doshas, signs and symptoms should be observed properly. Now, diagnosis of Prakriti. Diagnosis of Prakriti is very important to an Ayurvedic practitioner for diagnosis and treatment of a patient with proper drugs, diet and regimen, including daily or seasonal routine of lifestyle. There are two methods for determination of Prakriti: Bhaja, interrogation and physical examination of organs of the body. But this is very difficult and strenuous subject to a new practitioner. This can be successfully done by practice again and again for a long time under an expert teacher or Guruji. In the interrogatory method, following questions may be placed to the patient about the habit, movement, regimen and food style for determination of his Prakriti, about food quantity, digestion, hunger, rasabodhar, liking of taste, thirst, choice of hot or cold food and drink, bowel movement, condition of stool, speed of activities, excitement regarding memory, respective powers, perspire, sexual desire, progeny, sleep, dreams, talking, walking, movement of the body parts, solution of problems, etc. On the other hand, following physical examination may be followed for detection of Prakriti. For example, face appearance, body movement, body weight, body structure, body condition, body strength, flow of body fluid, condition of skin, roughness, softness, complexion, moisture, temperature, etc. Eye condition, teeth, nails, lips, hand, hair of head and body, tendons, veins, abdomen, chest, body smell, tongue, footprints, pulse, a special character, if any. Changeability of Prakriti. There is a great controversy about changeability of Prakriti among Ayurvedic authors. According to Sushruta, Prakriti is an unchangeable phenomenon because of its genetic origin. The school of thinkers consider that any change of character of body, Prakriti, produces original lakshana or symptoms about the time of death. Sarak and Sushruta have discussed about original lakshana vividly in their samhitas, like Orishta lakshana of touch, color, sound, sight, taste and smell, etc. Some other school of thinkers believe that Prakriti can be changed by practicing of some virtual activities like meditation, tapas, chanting of mantras, yajna, and practicing of yogas. But all these activities are mental, and this can develop mental prakriti only. Therefore, body or physical prakriti is remain unchangeable. Selection of sports according to prakriti. Everybody desires a happy, peaceful, and adjustable conjugal life, but it depends on selection of prakriti of husband and wife, because Pitta Prakriti people have little ability to adjustment. Therefore, Pitta Prakriti husband and Pitta Prakriti wife may have more problems for adjustment. Vata Prakriti can adjust with little discomfort with other Prakriti. Kapha Prakriti can adjust with other Prakriti easily. Pitta Prakriti against Pitta Prakriti is a very difficult situation in a family. This type of family does not linger for a long time. Therefore, Pitta Prakriti husband and wife, father and son, brother and sister, and friends quarrel with each other almost always. As a result, their wife is not happy. Moreover, marriage between same Prakriti is not good for progeny also. It may happen many unremovable physical and mental disorders in their children. Now I shall discuss Sattvic Prakriti or mental Prakriti. Satta, Raja, Tamasyati, Gunaneti, Prakriti Sama, Pravavastu, Sattvika, Purusasrita, Rajasas, Tamasat, Chaiva, Trividha, Chetana, Manava, iti Charak Samhita. According to Charak, constitution of human mind or Manasik Prakriti is mainly divided into three categories: Vaja, Sattvika Manaha, Rajasik Manaha, and Tamasik Manaha. Sattvika Manaha is again subdivided into 7 classes, Rajasic Manaha into 6 classes, and tamasic mana is into three classes. Therefore, there are 16 classes of human mind according to Ayurvedic authors. Satta, Rajas and Tamas are expressing condition of qualities of mind. Satta is a purest and beneficial state of mind. Raja is associated with anger or raga. So, this condition of mind is vicious or faulty. Tamas is associated with ignorance. So, this condition of mind is also vicious. Subdivisions of Sattvika mana and their qualities. Brahma Sattva means mind similar to Brahma. This type of person is clean, true to his word, control his or herself, and sense organs well versed in knowledge, having good memory, rationalistic, oratory, sharing nature, free from all passions, anger, greed, conceit, confusion, envy, excitement, and intolerance. Such person is also equal to behavior towards all creation. Arjasakta, mind similar to Rishi. Such person is engaged in basic functions like sacrificial rite, worship, priestcraft, study, vows, celibacy, devoted to guests, free from pride, conceit, harassment, aversion, confusion, greed, anger, fundamentalism, communalism, having good intellectual power, speech, understanding, and retention. Indrasakta, mind similar to Indra, king of all gods. Such person is well equipped with all comfortable means of life. His or her works are respected, engaged in sacrifices, brave, vigorous, subdued, invisible, foresighted, devoted to virtue, wealth, and enjoyment. Jamasakta, mind similar to Jama means god of death. Jamasakta person keeps account for conduct, having according to opportunity, unstrikeable from inaction, good memory, having obtained supremacy free from attachment, envy, dislike, and confusion. Varuna Sattva, mind similar to Varun, god of rain. Person of such mind is brave, patient, clear, dislikes unclear, uncleanness, engaged in sacrifice, likes swimming in water, obstructed function and source, anger or pacification according to situation. Kubera Sattva, mind similar to Kuber, god of wealth. This type of person lives in a good position, has self-confidence and pride and command, respect, has enjoyment, work, pleasure, engaged in virtuous acts and desire, clean, happy and source, anger or favor according to appropriate person. Gandharva Sattva, mind similar to Gandharva, god of music. This type of person likes dancing, songs, music, juggling of words, poetry, stories, history, and epics, and always likes to use perfume, garland, skin softening application, likes neat and clean dress, sex with opposite gender and free from aversion. Rajasic Prakriti. There are 6 types of Rajasic Prakriti in Ayurvedic, described in Charak Samhita as follows. Asura Sattva, mind similar to Asur, means demon. Such type of person becomes brave, violent, has strong aversion, having supremacy, deceitful, furious, cruel, and always praises himself highly. Rakshasa Sattva, mind similar to Rakshasa, means devil. Such type of persons become intolerant, always angry, wishes to strike at weakness, pointed, cruel, like excessive cutting, likes to cut meat, indulges in sleep and physical exertions, and is envious. Pachasik Sattva, mind similar to Pichas, evil spirit. This type of person indulges in excessive eating, fond of sex with opposite gender, unclean, dislikes cleanliness, time, terrifying, has abnormal habits of diet and behavior. Sarpasatta, mind similar to sarpa, serpent. This type of person becomes very, very heavy when angry, but very timid when not angry. Sharp like exertions, wandering, terrorizing whatever he goes, indulges in food and pastime. Pratasatta, mind similar to prata, means ghost. This type of person is always in search of food, has every troublesome conduct, behavior and management, engages in backbiting, does not share with others, greedy and inactive. Sokunasatta, mind similar to Sokun or Bas. Sokun Satta person is always indulging in passion, food and pastimes, unstable in nature, has a tendency to think only of the moment, never putting anything aside for the future. Tamassatta or tamasic prakriti. There are three types of tamasic prakriti in Ayurveda as described by Chara. These are Pasava Satta, Matsya Satta and Vanaspati Satta. Pasava Satta, mind similar to Pashu or animal. Pasava Satta person tends not to work, lacks intelligence, tends to despise certain food and behavior, overindulges in the sexual acts and sleep. Matsya Satta, mind similar to master fish. This type of person is fearful, unwise, unstable, always after food, constantly passionate and angry, always moving and like water. Vanaspati Satta, mind similar to Vanaspati or plant. Vanaspati Satta person is idle, always indulges in food, lacking intellect and tending towards physical activities. Thank you.